Today I'm looking at a Magento 2 database that's got quite large, and I was just interested to see what's actually filling it up. It's about 2.5 GB, which I suppose in the scheme of things is not massive, but it does make for a bit of an unwieldy dump file to deal with if you want to sort of copy files and move them around and work with them. So I thought I'd just go and have a look into this particular site, which is here. And if I just go into a place where I've made a MySQL dump file, which is here. So you can see I've got this SQL file here, and if I just do this, I can see how large that is. And you'll see that it is, if you count the digits there, it's basically 2,445 megabytes, so 2.5 gigabytes basically. So what I did, I used the VI command to just go into this. Now it does take a little while because obviously it's having to load all of that into its memory, and so it takes a minute to load that. But then I just scrolled down the file and was just looking for where the biggest entries were, and what I found was it was actually in the area of a table called reporting system updates, like this. So if we go and look here, so we've got the table here, and then we've got these entries, and you can see it's recording things like cache flushes, imports, exports, maybe indexing. I don't know exactly what it's recording, but it's massive. It's got millions of entries in the table. So what I thought I'd do is I thought I would truncate this table in a copy of the site. So I made a copy of the site, and I've got that running here. And after I truncated the table, I went and tested the site to see whether it looks like it's running okay, and it does seem to be running fine. And so this is the test site, and I just dumped it into here for now, which is this file, test.sql. And if I look at the size of that, I can see that it's basically counting the zeros again. That's 226 megabytes. So it's a massive reduction. So I don't know why that table is getting out of control. Maybe there's a setting wrong in this particular site where it's not cleaning up that table. So I don't know, but I just thought that might be interesting for anyone else who's experiencing the same problem. And if anyone's got any additional information about what that table actually does, how important it is, whether you should truncate it or not, then please let me know in the comments below. And I look forward to hearing from you. Okay, thank you.